What's up, Peak Timers? Phil here from Peak Time Racing. Today we're getting a close-up look at the best licensed new for 2021 castings. That means all of the new release 2021 cars that are officially licensed from manufacturers. We will start it off with the Ford Bronco, the brand new 2021 Ford Bronco. As you can see, it says the big Bronco in the front right there. It's a very, very cool looking blue color, big wide body, wide fenders, wheel tire combination just sticking out there. I've really liked this car. I was super happy when it was released, and that'll be our first one that we look at today. Next up, we do have the Mercedes 500e. Very cool looking casting. I really like the detail on the front of this one. I like the grille, the lights. It's very Mercedes style right there. From the side of it, nice and clean look. These wheel tire combination look really good with the car. Then we look in the back. Check out the tampo work, the Mercedes logo, the 500e, the Hot Wheels logo, just very nicely detailed of a car overall. We'll put that right beside the Bronco. Then next up we have the Nissan R390 GT1, brand new casting for this year. Love the blue color of this one, love the design of this one. Just check out that, just looks absolutely gorgeous. We see the back of it, nice details for the lights and all of that good stuff right there. And then we look at the front, same thing, great detail on the front for those lights. Very clean overall look, same wheels I think as that Mercedes that we just looked at as well, which looks really nice. We'll go ahead and throw that one right beside there. Then we do have the Porsche 935. This is a really nice looking color. The Urban Outlaw Edition colors on there, the white, the Porsche logo on the back on that big rear wing. We've got the blue base on this one. We did have a different color as well. The 277 on the front, the Porsche. There's the Magnus Walker MW on there, but very good looking casting overall. Very Porsche looking. Gotta love it. Gotta love the Porsches. We'll put that right down there below the Bronco. Then another Porsche, we've got the Porsche Taycan Turbo S, brand new car, electric car in real life. Gotta love this one. Check it out from the front end. Great looking lights and all of that from the front. Then we go right off to the side right there, blacked out wheels with the chrome lip on there. This red is just very glossy. It's kind of a maroonish candy apple red. We look on the back right there, there's the Porsche logo just right there on the back right there, the Taycan. Just a very cool looking electric car, very popular electric car in real life. I mean, it's a luxury electric car, but it's basically a sports car that's a four-door sedan electric. Very cool looking car. We'll put that beside the other Porsche right there. And our next car we'll grab the Toyota GR Supra, 2020 GR Supra right there. Big wing on the back of it, big wide body kit on there. I love the look on the front end of this one. Just look at that details for those headlights, the Toyota logo right there. Nice looking bodywork, that wide body on there as well. We look on the side, we can see some stamping of logo works, blacked out wheels on there, look really good. We can see through a little bit right there as well in the back. Looks like we got a roll cage in the back. There's that big wing on there. No stamping or tempo work on the rear end at all, but that's okay. Just an overall great looking car. So glad they added the new Supra to the lineup. After that, we've got the LANCIA Delta Integrale. I'm not sure if I pronounced that right. I really like this casting, really cool. We don't get this car in real life in North America, but just look at the front detail on there. Does not look great. Just look at the headlights, all the details, all the light and all that stuff down below as well. From the side, look at all the details on the side of it, the nice painting, the white wheels. I just love these wheels. I think they look great. We did get this one released again in black with some colored wheels on there as well, but this original white release one looks really good. Even that spoiler, just check out how interesting looking the spoiler is on the back of it, how it kind of comes just like vertically right up right there. Nothing on the back as far as stamping. They've saved it all for the side and the front, but just an overall great looking car. We'll put that one right down there for now. Next up, we do have the Pontiac GTO Drag Racing Edition. This is a new edition of the Pontiac GTO, and you can see the big cowl induction hood right there. We've got the nice Pontiac on the front. We've got the headlights just shown right there. The little lights down below as well. From the side, there's the wheels, staggered wheels on there. We got some painting that kind of comes down the side right there. And then we've got in the back the parachute that would come out there, supposed to imitate the parachute, and the wheelie bars. So when it takes off when it's drag racing, it doesn't shoot up like that. It just stays kind of flat and just goes really straight. But the Pontiac GTO, really cool looking casting. Super happy they brought that to the lineup. We'll go ahead and throw that one right there. Next up, we have the Jaguar F-Type. Love the Jaguar F-Type. Look at that one right there. Love this color on it. Love the blue. A lot of good blue cars that we've gotten to the lineup. These wheels and the chrome look really good. The details on the back, excellent. I just love the back look of the Jaguars, the F-Types. I think they look really cool. I love this aggressive light. Kind of just looks like it looks like some sort of guy or something like that. I don't know. It's hard to say, but it's like just some sort of face on the back of it as well. We'll see that back again. There you go. Then we look in the front end. Nice looking aerodynamic design from the front end. Just an overall great looking design, almost like an Aston Martin. That's kind of how Jaguar's always kind of been in recent years. They've always kind of been on the same lines as an Aston Martin, but still very different. We'll go ahead and put that one right below the Supra right there. And our next one we'll grab the Corvette C8R. Love the Corvette C8R. Super happy to get this to the lineup. Check it out in the yellow C8R racing colors. We've got the stripe that goes down the center. There's the Corvette logo on the top of it right there with the number 4. From the side, the blacked out wheels, the HotWheels logo right there. There's that number 4 again. Big rear spoiler on there. Excellent looking car. The rear diffuser that sticks out as well. And this one we did get released in gray with the yellow striping, so kind of opposite of this one right here. But just an excellent overall car. Can't wait till I have the road car variation. I'm sure we'll get the road car variation coming to the Hot Wheels lineup. It did come already to Matchbox, but I'm sure we'll get it in the Hot Wheels form. Next up, Dodge Van. I know a lot of people will be like, Dodge Van? Really? What's so special about a Dodge Van? And I thought the same thing too until I opened this one up. And I was like, wow, the design of this one. Shout out to Ryu, RIP as well. And just check it out. Just check that one out. Check out the design of that one. So cool looking, such a great looking design. We look at it, just great details from the side as well. On the top, we've got the little like go-kart on the inside. So cool looking, absolutely love this one. And I was just super surprised when I got this car and how it looks and how detailed it is. It's just done so excellent. So I had to put it in our top 15 for licensed vehicles released so far this year. We'll go ahead and throw that one right up right there. And our next one we'll grab the Audi RS2, I think this is RS2 Avant it's called, or Audi 94 Audi Avant RS2. So I did kind of have it right there in a blue color as well, but these Audi wagons were just very popular in Europe, not very popular in US and Canada or anything like that, but now they're starting to get more popular. They're just really cool, sporty looking, like just wagons. Aren't they cool? Like look at the design on the front. Look at all the details on there, the RS logo right there on the front. We've got the back with the great details, the Audi logo, all that good stuff, the Tampa Works and the lights. Just an overall excellent looking Hot Wheels casting. Super happy that came to the lineup. Next up we have the Ford GT40 Mark IV. This one in red. We did get it in, I believe we got it in yellow and black already as well, but the red one looks good. Just look at how like, it just looks aerodynamic. And I know probably it's not in real life. A lot of these old 60s race cars, even though they looked very sleek, they weren't actually that aerodynamic. The aerodynamics nowadays is actually way better, but this one still looks very cool. Love the red with the striping, the number 1 on there from the back end as well. You can see the engine sticking out from the back, the exhaust and all that good stuff right there, and the wheels, staggered wheels as well. But overall, great looking car. Excited to have that one to the lineup. And next, probably one of the more popular releases this year, the Nissan Skyline GTR. It's actually Nissan GTR R35, but this is the Liberty Walk edition. Just check this one out. Such a cool looking car. I was just super excited to open this one up. When I got it, I opened it right away. I love it. I think it looks absolutely amazing. They've done a great job on it. Just look at the design from the top end, the wide body look, the front end, super aggressive kit on here. LBWK Liberty Walk. We've got, look at that big spoiler, look at the rear on there, the diffuser on there. Just an overall excellent design coming to Hot Wheels. And we are getting another Liberty Walk car. We're getting a Liberty Walk Lamborghini Huracan as well, so stay tuned for that one. That one should be coming up in the next few cases. Can't wait to get that one as well. But until then, I love this car. It's one of my favorite releases of this year. We'll go ahead and throw that one down at the bottom. And our very last one is the NASH. Now, technically not a officially licensed real car, but the NASH is a car that's made after a custom car in real life, and it was one of the ones that won the Hot Wheels Legends Tour. So very, very cool, and I was excited when this one came out, just because when you look at that side profile, doesn't that look awesome? Just looks so hot roddy. It's like a mini hot rod, the big engine sticking out, and then from the front, it is like a NASH car, but it's just a totally customized NASH. And we look at the wheel tire combination, if we look at it from the top, you can see they're just like these teeny tiny tires on here. They're very, very thin on here, but I was excited to get this one, and it definitely deserves to be in this list. So we'll go ahead and throw the NASH down there. But there we have it, guys. There is my top 15 releases of 2021 so far. There's definitely going to be more releases coming soon, but you guys let me know in the comments section down below which one is your favorite, and I will catch you guys on the next one. Bye-bye.